Hi, friends. Now we are going to talk about how we can put a breakpoint for a background user. Okay, so for a particular background user, so this is very helpful for workflow debugging as well as if you are doing an RFC for one particular system user. So how you can put a trace for like a debug for that user ID. In order to do that, you have to go to SAP. Okay, this is very important. You go to SA84, you go to utilities, you go to settings. Once we go to settings, you go to ABAP editor, you go to debugging. Okay, and here you have to change the ID. So if I change here, I will just change, and provided you need to have the proper authorization. Okay, so here if you change it, so here I am changing to SAP WFRT. So here I don't have the debugging for the authorization, but here you can put any ID. Generally it would be a background ID, and then only your debugger will stop. So this is very very helpful when you're debugging an RFC or a workflow or anything from outside SAP.